In this video, I will show you how to remote control your computer from any device and anywhere using AnyViewer. Go to your browser and go to this link below in description. See the pricing AnyViewer software. Free version. Professional version. Enterprise version. I will try free version of AnyViewer software. Download AnyViewer software. Install AnyViewer software. Open AnyViewer. First you sign up using your email. I have an account. I click Login. Input your partner ID to remote control or file transfer. I control my PC using my phone. Go to Google Play Store and search AnyViewer. Install AnyViewer. Open AnyViewer. Sign up or log in your account. I log in using my same account. See here showing my computer account. Here you can input your partner ID to access computer. See computer screen showing in my mobile. See it working well. That's it. Enjoy. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and share my videos with your friends. Thank you.